Welcome to baby-led weaning recipe. Starting solids with baby-led weaning or purees are both perfectly acceptable ways to introduce baby to solid foods. Bananas and papayas are one of the best finger foods to start up. One meal a day is enough for a 6-month-old baby. Remember, the goal with first foods for baby is that they are introduced to flavors, nutrients, and foods they can easily eat or suck on. In this episode, we'll see how to introduce banana and papaya. First things first, choose the ripe banana. Look for one that is yellow with few brown spots. This indicates that it's perfectly ripe and easier to digest for your baby. I have taken the red banana. Yellow is also totally fine. To serve a banana to a baby, there are two ways. Number 1. Wash it well, then slice it in half. Cut off 1 inch or 2 of the peel. But leave the rest of the peel on, so it's not slippery for baby to hold. They'll suck on the top part like a lollipop. You can also help them hold the banana if needed. Number 2. Mash the banana with a masher or fork spoon and offer in a preloaded spoon. My recommendation would be the first one. Now, to serve the papaya, first choose a ripe papaya. Look for the one that is mostly yellow with a touch of orange. The skin should feel slightly soft when gently pressed. Slice the papaya in half and scoop out the seeds with a spoon. The seeds are not suitable for babies, so make sure to remove them completely. Now, you have two options for serving papaya to a baby. Number 1. Offer a little larger pieces as shown. It may be slippery, but they'll surely have a bite. Let them touch, smell and taste at their own pace. For 8 months baby, you can cut the papaya a little smaller pieces. Number 2. You can mash a small portion with a fork until it becomes smooth and easy to swallow. You can give them in a preloaded spoon. It's important to remember that solid foods isn't just about nutrition. It's a journey of connection and shared experiences. As you sit together tasting new foods side by side, you are building a bond that will last a lifetime. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy weaning and embrace the joy of introducing healthy foods to your baby. Thank you. Bye-bye.